Hi, digital marketers. This is Faisal. Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how can you implement the Square Up appointment scheduling with the JPA. Because I'm recently got a project and I can see that we are easily implement the Google Tag Manager with the Square Square Up website, but for the appointment, it's not work because appointment is the different sections and website is the also different sections. So I do not able to connect the appointment with the Google Tag Manager. So I am using the JPER for that because I want to send the appointment scheduling, that is the lead event, to send the Meta or Facebook conversion tracking. So that's I have to solve by using the JPER. So you can see the appointment booking site. If I am go to the view, and here you can see the three appointment option. We have to track by the JPER for that. So I am go to the JPER and create the Japs, you know that how can use the JPER, and in the new appointment you can see that I am adding the Square platform with the JPER because I want to track the J Square appointment. That here is the three appointments, so I am adding the account of Square. You can see that I am already adding this account, and trigger will be the new appointment when any visitor comes to this website, they are clicking the new appointment, that the trigger is fired this time. And also I am adding the Facebook conversion API for that. And firstly, I have to set up um, event, and that is the Facebook conversion. I am adding it, and in the configure you can see that action source will be the website, and business account we have to select from here, and pixel and event name is the lead. You can also find out another event for add payment, add to cart, purchase, add to wish list, complete registration according to your business goal. You can pick the your event from here, and event time, event ID. I have to set up all of that, and you can see that if I go to the a business Facebook event manager section, and I am go to my pixel, then I have to find out the lead event in the overview section. If I am here, you can see that I have to find out the lead event from here. I am set up perfectly because in the JPEG, I have to create the JEP. If you knew, then if you go to the home and how to create the JEP, and if you click the create on it, and here you can see the JEP. So click on it, JEPs, and here you have to click the ticker on it. So for the Square Up, you have to find out lots of apps option and your CRM, whatever you want to implement with the shaper. So in my case, I am just use the Square. Here you can see that Square. So I am click on it, and in the Square, here you have to even the trigger. Here I have to adding the appointment, and also you have a select option to adding the account. So if I go to the second one, and that is Facebook conversion API, which I am implement before. Here you can see that Facebook conversion, and as usual you have to adding the event according to your need, and also you have to adding the account on it, which I am seen before. And after the configuration, the event are receiving in the your pixel overview section. I hope you understand how can you implement the Square Up appointment scheduling with your Facebook conversion API. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.